In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Cloudflare site. If you've decided a domain no longer needs Cloudflare's protection or DNS management, this walkthrough will show you how to remove it cleanly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, plus what to expect once the site is no longer managed by Cloudflare. Keep in mind that when you remove a site, Cloudflare will stop proxying traffic and managing DNS for that domain, so features like caching, firewall, and performance optimizations will no longer apply. That context will help you decide the right timing for this change. Start by opening your Cloudflare account in a web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account that owns the domain you want to remove. The dashboard is where all your sites or zones are listed. It's best to do this from a desktop browser for full visibility and ensure you have the necessary permissions on the account. Next, click on the specific domain you want to delete from Cloudflare. This takes you to that site's overview page. You'll see summaries of your DNS settings, security features, and traffic information. Double check you've selected the correct domain, especially if you manage several. Removing the wrong one can interrupt traffic for a completely different site, so it's worth a careful look at the domain name here. From the site's overview, look for the Advanced Options section. Cloudflare occasionally adjusts the layout, but Advanced Options typically appears near the bottom or along the side of the overview page. If the interface looks a little different from what you remember, scroll through the overview until you see Advanced or Additional actions related to the zone. Within Advanced Options, click Remove from Cloudflare. This is the action that detaches the domain from your Cloudflare account. After you select it, Cloudflare will no longer manage DNS or provide security and performance services for that domain. You may see a confirmation prompt explaining the impact, which is normal. Once the removal completes, the domain will disappear from your dashboard and requests will no longer flow through Cloudflare's network. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. Removing a domain means its DNS records inside Cloudflare are no longer in effect, and any cached content at the edge is cleared. Depending on how your domain is configured outside of Cloudflare, you might notice some propagation time before everything settles. Plan the change during a maintenance window if uptime is critical, and make sure stakeholders know that Cloudflare-specific features will stop immediately after removal. That's all there is to it. Open your account, choose the right domain, head to Advanced Options, and click Remove from Cloudflare.